Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, how to make Atrium scary in Blender. Let's get started. Alright, and select all, X to delete, Shift A, add in a camera object, and Alt R, reset rotation transform, and again or X, 90 degree, G, Y, move Y axis, and press G, Z, G, Z. Okay, Shift A, add in a plane, go to viewport shading, and check random. Okay. We need one more window, right click and vertical split. Press 0 to camera view of toolbar and of this. Very good. And select camera and GZ. Okay, very good. And select plane object S to scale. GY. Very good. And Shift A, add in a cube object. And go to edit mode and select all GZ. Press 1. Okay, very good. And G, Shift Z, click, and this good, and good edit mode, and select this vertex or this face, GX, and select this face, GY, move Y axis, and select top face, GZ, move little bit. Okay, very good. And Shift D, duplicate, and press Shift Z. Okay, and this. Okay, and select this cube and GX, move X axis, and Shift D, duplicate, move this soon. Okay, Shift D to duplicate, and S to scale, SZ, and SY, GY, move Y axis little bit. Okay, very good. Very good. And Shift D to duplicate, and go to edit mode and on X-ray mode, and select bottom face and Shift S, press Shift S, cursor to select it. Very good. And off the X-ray mode and select the cube object and right click, set origin to 3D cursor. Okay, and very good. And S to scale, press Shift Z and move down, S, Y. Okay, and S, Z, move Z axis. Very good. And G, Shift Z, and duplicate one more. Okay, very good. And select ground plane and go to edit mode and press E to extrude. Very good. And right click, subdivide, number of dots type 20, or 18. Perfect. Okay, and press I, drag a little bit and eject this. Very good. And little bit. Very good. And go to material properties and click new. Okay, very good. And again click plus icon and new, assign. Very good. Very good. And select this face or this, select this and bottom. Assign. Very good. And press Z to material preview, and very good. And go to shading, numpad 0 to camera view, and add a noise texture, add, and connect to base color, and select noise texture, control D, and the add-on checked, and preferences, go to edit preferences, add-on, set type node or angular. Okay, check this add-on and select noise texture and press control T. Okay, and very good. And shift A, add in a color ramp, okay, connect this, black change to yellow, very good, and go to noise texture and scale, drag, and very good, and change white color to black, very good, and go to principal BSDF and specular, drag to left, okay, and very good, okay, and select the go to edit mode, select this face, or select this face and select this face, and slot, and click plus icon and assign, and click new, select principal BSDF, shift S, and shader, switch type to emission, very good, and strange 2, okay, and very good, and go to render it, and EV change to cycle, CPU change to GPU compute, okay, very good, click denoise, very good, and select camera object and go to and focal length type 48, very good, cancel this, unselect this face or select this, and go to emission and assign, select this and assign, very good, very good, and hide this cube and select this and go to edit mode and control R, add in a loop cut, very good, and select this face and alt E, extrude by along, and click new, and assign color is black, very good, and alt edge, very good, very good, and go to animation and add animation to camera and select camera and auto king on, and G, click, add a single keyframe, and in the 40 frame and G, Y, move Y axis, or Z, very good, and 60, and material proper preview, very good, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.